What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a night crewmate from Among Us. Now we're going to get started at the very top center of our page and draw an upside down triangle for the front edge of the helmet. So starting right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here we're going to angle up and out towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right, towards the same height. And then we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now I'm going to go back to the center and draw the left side of the helmet. Starting from this point, I'm just going to curve up, round up the helmet, go out, and then down. Just go back to the center, step up, curve the right side, going out, and then bend that down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom of the helmet. Starting back on the left, just bend this down in the middle, and then go back up on the right side. Let's go back up to the top and draw the outside of the brush. Starting from the top, I'm going to bend this out, and then down just beside the left side of the head. Then we'll angle down and then in. And then we'll add a little bit of texture on the left side. Starting from the top, angle down and in, step over, and add a couple more along the bottom, just aiming towards the center of the helmet. And then we'll add 4 openings along the front of the helmet. Starting from the bottom corner, we'll step up, just follow that same curve, coming down and in. And we'll follow the same curve going up towards the top, and then go straight out towards the right. Let's leave a gap and add another opening. We're going to line this up, curve out, and then down. And then again, just following the same curve, coming down and in towards the middle. And then from here, we're going to go straight up towards the top, and close this off with a straight line. Let's add another gap. Stepping over, coming down towards the bottom, curve out, and then up, go back up towards the top, and then close this off. And we'll add one more. Stepping over, straight down, curve out towards the left. Now we're not going to go all the way up towards the top. We're going to go up to right about there, then this up, and then in. Now with the helmet in place, we're going to tuck the visor underneath. From the outside corner, we're going to step in, curve out, and then back in. Just go over towards the left side, bend this out, and then in towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom, coming down, and then up. Let's go over towards the left side, step in, curve the body going out, go straight down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. Go over towards the right side underneath the visor, come straight down, and then bend that in. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve down, and then up. Go to the right side, we're going to leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up, and then we'll curve the body going out and up on the right. Go back to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going underneath the body. Now let's draw the backpack on the left side. Starting from the top, just going to bend this out and then down. Curve the backpack coming down towards the bottom, and then we'll bend this back down and then in. And now we're going to add a shadow on the backpack and the body. We start on the left side, step down, curve up, and then in. And from the inside, we're going to step up, curve the shadow coming down, across the body, just pull that up on the right side. We're also going to add a shadow along the bottom of the visor. Starting on the top left, step in, curve down, go across, and up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's our night crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.